Hi, if you want to learn how to download and use Roblox Account Manager, we're going to go over that in this video. Alright, so you want to locate this link that's on GitHub. It's just Roblox Account Manager. You can find it on Google, but the link will be in the description. And down here in the README, there's a download link. You just go ahead and download that. I already downloaded it, so it's right here, Roblox Account Manager. And in here, there's just one file. And that file is just a application exe file. Then we want to extract that. I've extracted that folder here. And after we run it, well, I'm going to do it again just to show you. We're going to go extract here. We get this folder. You just get this icon. You click that. And you will get this screen. I recommend password locked. Type in a password of your choosing. And click continue. Oh, confirm my password? Where do I confirm it? There we go. All right. So here is your manager. You can add your accounts down in the bottom left. So you just type in add account and it will open the Roblox site. And you can just type in your login info. Oh, did I forget my password? No? Oh. No, I forgot my username. There we go. I think that should be it. Yep. And see, now you have your account here and you can just keep adding accounts. Let's say I have this one. And there you go. Now you have 2 accounts logged in. And then to play your favorite games, you just go on Roblox on the site. You go to discover. Let's just pick a game. Piggy, I guess. And then you need this number right here in the URL up here. You just copy that number. Go back here. And then where it says place ID, current place, you just paste that number in here. And then it'll say Piggy right here. As you can see, it identified where you're at and which game you want to play. And then you just join your favorite game and you can switch between your Roblox accounts.